everyone. Welcome back to Edumotion English. I'm your host, Lily. It's so wonderful to have you with us again today.
And I'm Tom. Hello, everyone. Lily, I have a question for you.
Okay, go for it.
Have you ever had that moment? You're learning a language, you know all the grammar rules, you have a big vocabulary, but when you try to speak, you just freeze. Nothing comes out.
Oh, I know that feeling so well. It's that gap between knowing and doing. You have the knowledge in your head, but you don't have the confidence to use it.
Exactly. You worry about sounding awkward or making a mistake.
And that is what we're going to fix today. We'll teach you some fantastic practical English. The topic is making plans with a new colleague. But more importantly, we'll show you why listening to a story is one of the best ways to learn.
That's the real value today. We're giving you a method, how your brain can absorb English naturally just by listening. So please get comfortable, relax, and let's begin.
Let's imagine a story. It's about two colleagues, Chloe and Liam.
And where are they?
They're at the office. It's Friday afternoon. The work week is almost over. Everyone feels relaxed. Chloe has been at the company for a few months. Liam is new.
Okay, I can picture it.
Chloe starts a friendly conversation. She walks over to Liam's desk as he's packing up his bag. She says casually, "Hey, Liam, how's it going?"
A nice, simple start.
Yes. After a little small talk, she asks, "So, what are you up to this weekend?"
Ah, that's a great question. What are you up to? It sounds so natural.
It does. And Liam says he doesn't have any plans. He's new to the city, so he's just going to explore a bit.
Perfect opportunity for Chloe.
Exactly. So she makes a soft suggestion. She doesn't say, "Do you want to hang out?" That's too direct.
Right. It puts pressure on the other person.
Instead, she says, "I was thinking of checking out that new art exhibit downtown." She frames it as her own idea. It's friendly and not pushy.
That's really good.
Let's pause there. Those first two phrases are so useful.
Yeah, what are you up to this weekend is so much better than do you have plans? Why, Lily?
Because it's open-ended. It invites sharing without pressure. It's a real conversation starter.
Makes sense. And I was thinking of, that's a magic phrase.
Yes, it's polite and soft. It gives space for the other person to respond freely.
Now, Liam is interested, but he has a small problem, a schedule conflict.
Happens all the time in real life.
Exactly. So Liam says, that sounds cool, but actually on Saturday morning, I'm a bit tied up.
Tied up. That's a great idiom. It means you're busy.
Yes, and Chloe responds perfectly. No worries. What about the afternoon? She stays flexible and keeps the talk going.
She shows she's genuinely interested.
After a little back and forth, they decide to grab coffee on Sunday morning. Liam says, a coffee sounds good. I'm down for that.
I love that phrase. I'm down for that. So modern and casual.
Me too. Then Chloe adds, we can just play it by ear.
Another idiom, meaning they'll decide details later.
Exactly. And finally, she says, let's touch base on Saturday.
And that's how a simple, natural plan is made.
A bit tied up. Polite way to say you're busy.
I'm down for that. Informal, friendly agreement.
Play it by ear. Decide as you go.
And let's touch base means contact each other later.
Now, let's talk about why this method is powerful.
First, context. When you hear tied up in a story, your brain connects it to meaning, emotion, and situation.
Second, it teaches the music of English, the rhythm and tone you can't learn from textbooks.
And third, it's passive learning. You can listen while driving, cleaning, or walking, and you're still learning.
It turns studying into fun and builds your confidence naturally.
Okay, now it's your turn. Let's practice a short role play. I'll be your colleague. You respond out loud. Don't worry about mistakes. Just try. Hey, so what are you up to this weekend? Great. You could say something like, I was thinking of checking out that new coffee shop on Saturday morning.
How did that feel? You could also say, not much, I don't have any plans. Or, that sounds great, but I'm a bit tied up on Saturday. What about Sunday?
Repeat after us. A bit tied up.
Play it by ear.
Let's touch base.
Imagine your colleague invites you to a concert on Friday, but you're tired and want a quiet night. How can you politely decline and suggest something else?
You could say, that sounds really fun, but I think I'm going to have a quiet night in. I was feeling a bit under the weather earlier this week. But hey, would you be up for a coffee this weekend instead?
Perfect. You politely declined, used an idiom, under the weather, and offered an alternative.
Okay, let's recap. Key phrases, what are you up to? I was thinking of, and I'm a bit tied up.
And remember the method. Stories give you context, rhythm, and confidence.
This week, try using one of these phrases to make a plan in English.
And find another English podcast or short video you love. Just listen, don't stress, enjoy the process.
Let us know in the comments which podcast you listen to.
Keep listening, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye, everyone.